welcome back to my channel. I'm zabellefortes, and if you're new here, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell button so that you are all updated with all my future videos. So our videos for today, I'm gonna show you another review, but this time brushes. And this is from LAZADA Cosmetics. So I have here 3 brushes. Actually, 4 brushes. So, yung nabili ko is only 3 brushes. A powder brush, blush brush, and then highlighter brush. So, wala rito yung contour brush. So, mas pinili ko itong tatlo kasi meron akong paggagamitan na product ng LAZADA, which is meron ako ng foundation, meron ako ng blush, and then yung highlighter. Pwede ko sila i-test out dito sa brushes na to. Although we cannot test it naman in some beauty products, but preferred to use LAZADA Cosmetics for these brushes. I'm gonna introduce to you these brushes and what it's all about. Start powder brush. Ganyan yung packaging niya. It's a plastic. Ang cute ng packaging niya. Ang cost ng powder brush naka-indicate dito sa likod na powder brush, large round dome brush. Yun ang naka-indicate sa plastic container niya. Okay? I'll show you how the products looks like. Ito siya. White ang bristles niya. Ayan. Very soft. Boom. You cannot feel na merong tusok effect. And dense. Ayan. Maganda talaga siya powder. So, let's later kung ano ang magiging performance niya sa powder foundation ni Bite. Yung ferrule niya is silver. And then, yung pinaka-handle niya is wooden. And then, ang fuchsia ang color niya, Barbie-like. At ayan, meron sila nakalagay yung name na Vice. Ayan. So, I'll read to you guys what's in it, in the back side of the container. This is the powder brush. This brush is used for applying powder foundation or face powder. The large dome shape blends powder products onto your skin for a smooth, flawless finish. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Yung nakalagay pa dito kung paano siya gagamitin, ayan. Tap all excess powder and apply to the face, starting from the center most part, moving outward and blend well. Gonna use liquid foundation and powder foundation ni Vice. Yun ang gagamitin nating setting powder ng Luxe. We have here blush brush. Ayan siya. By the way guys, meron pala siya nakalagay dito. Aside from Vice, meron siya nakalagay na kung saan mo siya gagamitin. Nakalagay dito powder. So ito yung pang blush. Medyo hindi siya ganun kakapal. Same. Maganda yung quality ng brush. Sturdy. It cost yung ganito 175 pesos.
Blush brush. This brush effortless applies blush to the cheeks. The floppy dome shape blends product seamlessly onto the face for a natural flush look.
Ayan. Sobrang ano siya, soft. Then the last one is, I have here highlighter brush. It's a small fluffy tapered brush. So, meron ako ng highlighter. Ito rin yung gagamitin ko. Ayan, ang ganda niya, oh. Although, nakalagay dito is for highlighter. You can use also this for, yung concealer. You can also use this or pang finish ng powder dito under eye. And create both a subtle
and blinding glow with this small tapered brush, and this applies highlighter on the face and help to buff and blend it well into the skin.
Pwede mo rin to pang to buff some powder kasi usually naglalagay tayo ng powder under eye. So, product device, meron akong tatlo. Ayan. So, let's see later. I'm gonna prepare my face before applying that Luxe Organix. Maybelline matte Poreless. Itong gagamitin ko. Brush. Okay, and now we're gonna set. Ang gagamitin kong pang set ng foundation is Vice Ganda to Finish Foundation in the shade of Chesa. At ito yung ayan guys. Nakukuha talaga niya yung product. So, ay, marami siya nakukuha ang product. Poreless. Very soft. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung ano, oh. Ayan, maganda yung lapat ng powder. Very soft. Ang sarap niya, wala ka talagang mararamdaman na. There are some brushes na natutusok yung sa face mo pag once na itinampi mo na siya. Ito, ang ganda niya, in fairness guys. Will not go wrong with this brush. It's worth $195. Ito yung pinaka-expensive na brush sa apat na brushes na meron si Vice Cosmetics. So, maganda ang performance niya. I love this brush. Okay guys, let's proceed now. Use this Vice pink brush for highlighter, but this time I'm gonna use this for buffing just powder under my eyes. And look at that, meron siya ng fallout yung ginamit kong eyeshadow. I forgot to remove the excess.
You're going to date tomorrow.
What? What? Whose birthday? Mine? Whose birthday? What day is it?
Aura blush in the shade of Winner. So, ito yung blush brush niya. Katry natin kung paano siya mag-workout dito sa blush ni Vice. Ayan guys. Usually yung mga blush brush is round siya. Ito para siyang flat. Okay, and here's now the blush brush. Maganda siya, sakto lang siya pang talaga. Ayan. You see that? Ayan. Sakto lang talaga siya sa cheeks para ma-apply mo yung blush pa siya. So maganda rin ang ganitong shape ng brush kasi madali lang siya apply sa ating cheeks. Ayan. Very soft ang bristles niya. Thumbs up for me this blush. Hindi siya ganun kakapal kasi hindi naman siya yung pang powder. Tama lang talaga siya pang blush. Pwede siyang ganun. Pag ganun mo lang siya. Or pwede mo naman siyang pag-ganyan. Yung application yun ng blush. For me, mas maganda siguro pag ganun. Kasi sakto lang siya eh. Covered lahat yung cheeks mo. So, isang swipe lang, slide ng brush. Kuha na ng cheeks mo yung blush na kailangan. Pwede mo naman yung pagganyan. Depende sa how you execute application of blush. Yung iba ibang brush, pag in-apply mo, ang lumalabas na papatsi-patsi yung yung blush. So, sa kanya, look at that. Isang ganun mo lang, sakto talaga siya sa ng cheeks mo. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you now sa highlighter brush and then it's Aura Glow in the shade of Splendid. And then, ayan. So, mas maigi siguro ang gagamitin natin ay yung tips ng pero depende na rin sa gusto nyong highlighter na lalabas sa inyong face kasi merong mga gusto na medyo plakado yung pagka-highlights na although some tama lang. Hindi yung I will try for you guys, ang gagawin kung gusto nyo ng application na limited lang, use the tips of the brush. Okay, ganyan. So, para hindi siya malapad yung nararating ng highlighter. Kasi, pag plinat nyo siya na ganyan, ayan, pag lumapad siya dyan sa, sa highlighter, as product, flat siyang lalapat at makukuha ng entire brush on the, yung sa ilalim niya, yun. So, pag in-apply mo siya dyan, so, of course, pag in-apply mo siya dyan, ayan, malawak ang nararating ng brush. Ayan, malapad yung ng highlighter. But, hindi mo na magamit pag nakalagay na dito sa chin nyo, yun, pwede nyo siyang naka-flat yung brush. And then, if you use the tip, pwede nyo naman siya dito gamitin sa nose nyo. Ganyan. Ayan. So, I love this brush. Ang kagandahan lang sa brush ni Vice Ganda, all of them are soft. Skin-friendly siya. Hindi siya masakit sa balat pag in-apply mo siya sa face nyo. Unlike sa other brushes, natutuso ka and then medyo may konting itchiness na magaganap. But it's a thumbs up for me. All the 3 products na ginamit ko, lahat sila ay maganda para sa aking Hi everyone, I'm back and this is now my final look. My thoughts about this product of Vice Ganda, Vice Cosmetics Pink Brushes. First of all, the product is worth to buy and it's a worth of your money. You know why? This product has a good quality, especially the bristles. bristles is soft and is dense. Yung sa powder brush niya, dense siya. And then also on highlighter brush. And yung sa blush lang niya, medyo pa-flat siya. Pero it's nice because saktong-sakto lang sa cheeks nyo pag nag-apply kayo ng blush nyo. Like that also. Ayan. Sakto lang siya. And I also explain it on my earlier. Hope na nagustuhan nyo ang review ko sa product nito. And second is, what makes me like this brushes. It's skin-friendly. Some other brushes na pag in-apply mo sa yung face, natutusok. Meron siya ng tusok effect. Ito wala. Very smooth ang ano niya sa ating face. At nahugasan ko na to, na linisan ko na kasi some brushes sa una lang, pag hindi mo pa siya na wash, soft siya. Na wash mo na siya, doon mo na ma-feel there's something not good on the product. But Vice Cosmetics is a nice one and it's worth of your money to buy. So, shout out to Odysseus Gaming. FB page po nila, Odysseus Gaming. Hi guys, I know some of you are into gaming channel. Baka gusto nyo po i-follow si Odysseus Gaming and MM Gaming. Lahat po sila nasa FB. Meron po sila ng kanya-kanyang FB page. So, please follow them guys and I hope you enjoy their page. Okay, and that's all for now. To all of you guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope na nakatulong itong review ko para sa inyong lahat. And that's all for now. Bye!